Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore chart component styling in Recharts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore chart component styling in Recharts, first, ensure you have the necessary libraries installed. Start by importing the required components from Recharts. You will typically need elements such as line chart, line, x-axis, y-axis, tooltip, and legend. Next, create your chart component function. Inside this function, set up your data structure with the necessary values for the chart. Then, define the dimensions for your chart, such as width and height. Add the line chart component, passing the data and dimensions as props. Inside the line chart, include the x-axis and y-axis components. For the x-axis, pass the data key that corresponds to the x-axis values. For the y-axis, specify the data key for the y-axis values. Next, add the line component to visualize the data. Use the data key prop to bind the line to the corresponding data. You can customize the stroke and other styles to fit your design requirements. After that, include a tooltip component to display data on hover. A legend component is also useful for identifying different lines in the chart. If you want to apply custom styles, consider using a CSS file or inline styles. To test your chart, run your application and observe the output. Make adjustments as necessary to the styling based on your preferences. Finally, ensure your chart is responsive by utilizing the responsive container component. Refresh your page to see all changes reflected immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.